Welcome to our channel. Let's uncover how to fix a stuck bank wire transfer step by step so you can get your money moving again fast. When a bank wire transfer gets stuck, it can cause anxiety and disrupt your financial plans. But don't worry, it's a common issue that can be resolved with a systematic approach. Start by confirming the transfer status with your bank, either through their online portal customer service hotline or visiting a local branch. This initial verification helps identify if the holdup is due to pending processing or an issue needing further investigation. Next, verify all the recipient's details you provided during the transfer, especially account number, bank code, and beneficiary name. Even a minor typo can cause a delay. If you spot any errors, immediately notify your bank so they can initiate a correction or a recall request. In case your bank confirms the transfer is pending, with the receiving institution, ask them for a transaction reference number or SWIFT code. Track the transfer status with the recipient's bank. Contact the beneficiary to verify if their bank has placed any holds or requires additional documentation. Sometimes regulations or compliance checks can temporarily freeze funds after gathering this information. If the transfer still hasn't progressed, escalate the issue within your bank. For example, request to speak with a manager in the wire transfer department, or file a formal complaint to accelerate troubleshooting. Document all your communications and keep copies of related transaction receipts or emails as proof. This can be useful if you need to involve a financial ombudsman or regulator. Also be aware of typical hold periods banks place, especially on international wire transfers, that can range from a few hours to several days, depending on amount and destination. Patience is often necessary. Request that your bank keeps you updated regularly, and don't hesitate to follow up persistently but politely. Finally, consider alternative means of transfer if the issue remains unresolved after several days, such as using a different bank service or a reputable money transfer platform. This can sometimes bypass procedural delays and deliver funds faster. Resolving a stuck bank wire transfer is about careful verification, clear communication, and persistence. With the right steps, you can navigate the process successfully and minimize disruptions to your finances. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more useful financial tips and guides.